Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to send video photos from your phone to your laptop with just your USB cable. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone. Then I'll get into your phone. You have to locate your phone file manager. So I'm going to simply click on here. File managers. So I'm getting to file manager. What we want to do here is to move the video file. So I'm going to simply click on videos. Then right here, you have to click on hold down to select the video you want to move. Then having selected the video you want to move, click on these three dots from the top. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on copy. Then you have to locate download file, just like so. Click on download file. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on copy here. So with that, you have moved the video file to the download folder. Next thing we want to do is to go back to our media file. So this time around, I want to head over to my images. Click on images section. Having clicked on images section, then here you have to choose the image you want to send. So I'm going to send a screenshot right here. So I'm going to send this particular one right here. Click and hold down. Then I'll click on these three dots. Click on copy and then download. Then click on copy here. Simple as that. Now let's see how we can move this video and photo from my phone to my laptop with just this USB cable. What we want to do first is to make sure that we insert this particular USB port mount. We insert it on our PC just like so. Having inserted it on your PC, next thing you want to do is to insert this particular port here, insert it on your phone, just like so. Then having inserted it on your phone, this is going to pump up. What you want to do on your phone is to simply turn on the file transfer. So with that, it's going to connect the file transfer from phone to your PC. Next thing you want to do is to head over to your PC and straight up, I'm going to simply head over to my PC and show you everything and see how we can locate the file from your PC. Okay, so just like so, on getting to your PC, what you want to do is to simply open a folder. Having opened a folder, navigate to the name of the phone. So just like what you see right here, I'm using ITEL P55T. So I'm going to select on the file, and then having selected the phone file name, you have to see internal share storage. Simply click on that. Having clicked on that, press enter key on your keyboard and the file information is going to pop down. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to the download folder where you transfer all the video and photo. Click on enter, then you have everything right here. Now we want to see how we can transfer this file, video file and the picture from this folder to my laptop, just like so. What we want to do next is to come to our PC. I'm going to simply right click and I will make sure I click on new, then I go to folder. So this will allow me to create a new folder for this particular video. So I will name this folder videos and photo, just like so, and I'll press enter key on my keyboard. What I'm going to do next is to double click on the folder. You can see the folder is empty. Now we have to head over back to ITEL phone download folder where we have the video and the picture. What we want to do next is to simply locate the picture and the video. Now we have the video right here and then we have the picture right here. I'm going to press Ctrl key down to select everything I want to transfer. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply drag it this way and everything moves straight into my laptop folder. Once you transfer everything, you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to transfer or how to send videos and photo from your phone to your PC with just your USB cable. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.